I think.
Okay.
Yeah, Ashwin, you had something to say?
Sir, I don't know how to create a new project. So for just 1 minute, if Prashant helps.
Okay, should we start?
Yes.
Shashank, will you do it today?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, you do it first and then we can ask Sitarama to do it. So today we'll build one quiz app. Uh, there are 10 countries and there are 10 capitals. Okay. At random, there will be a question asked. What is the capital of USA? What is the capital of Paris? What is the capital of, sorry, what is the capital of France? What is the capital of Britain? What is the capital of China? And if you give the correct answer, you should get 10 marks. If you give the wrong answer, you should get 0 marks. At the end of 10 questions, there should be a scoring. Okay. And it should be done in such a way that it can be applied to any kind of questions. It can be general knowledge questions, it can be technical questions, it can be driving test related questions. Okay. So I'll repeat. Today's assignment is on. Pranav, can you stop sharing? Shashank, can you share?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Today's assignment is on developing a quiz app. So the quiz app will be asking you to identify the capital of each country. So there will be 10 countries and you need to give the right answer to each question. If the answer matches the capital of the country, then you will get 10 marks. If it does not match, then you will get 0 marks. Okay. At the end of it, there will be a summary of saying how much marks you got and what are the right answer and what is the wrong answer. Okay. So Shashank, I think you already have a list of countries and capitals, right?
Yes, sir.
So our convention is to make screen 1, screen 2, screen 3, screen 4. Now we are in screen 8.
Yes.
Okay. No, I think I want you to build afresh. Yeah. Take only these two and
Yes, sir.
do it as screen 8C, 8D, screen 8D. New dot file. It
Yes.
will be called screen 8D. Eighth assignment. So we start with a stateless widget, which is called screen 8D, and this will be app 8D. Just make it app 8D. We'll follow the same app 8D. Yeah. Now you create a stateful widget, which will be called app 8D, and we'll return a scaffold widget. Then a body. Body will have a column. Column will have children. So in the children, we will have these list of 10 questions, right? So for that, we are storing the 10 cities in one list called question and the 10 capitals in another list called answer. So just familiarize us with the countries: India, USA, UK, France, Italy, Russia, China, Philippines. The capitals are New Delhi, Washington DC, London, Paris, Rome, Moscow, Beijing, Manila, Colombo, and Tokyo. Okay. Yeah, go ahead, Shashank. So, what is the next step?
Yes. Next, want to populate this through the instead of uh, column visit, I can use directly list view builder.
So, you're saying instead of column widget, you want to use a list view widget, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir. List view builder.
list view builder. Okay, list view dot builder.
Context.
So, the advantage of a list view builder is you can provide an index value, right?
Sir.
It's like a for loop. Can I compare it like a for loop?
Yes, sir. It's the for loop for widgets. Right, we can.
Yeah. So, all of you, please note, just like we have a for loop in Python and Java, this is a for loop, and the index value will tell you which iteration it is in the for loop. So now here we have how many countries? There are 10 countries. So the index value will go from 0 to 9. So instead of hard coding it as 10, he has put it as question dot length, which will come to 10. So item count will be 10.
Shrink wrap. Shrink wrap. What do means? It will extend uh, to the up to the limit, up to the certain limit. We have uh, get we can get the error like more than boundary out of widget out of boundary. By using shrink wrap, we get, but in the column format we didn't get the particular error. It will auto adjust through the widget.
Okay, not fully understood, but we'll come back to that later. Shrink wrap will avoid it to exceed the display area, which I understood, but we'll see. We'll come back to that later.
Yes. So I'm using list style. I'm using list style means it has the title and subtitle. Subtitle.
So, any questions, please ask. So, below list view widget, we have returned a list tile. So, list tile is one of the items in the list view. It's like a card, I think.
Yes. Yes, sir. This style has so many things, leading, lagging, like that.
It has many things. One of them is title, other is subtitle, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, in the title, what you are going to say, what is the capital of India? and in the subtitle we are asking you to enter the capital of India, New Delhi, right? Because it is
Yes,
an
sir.
entry field, it is a text field, whereas the title is just a display field, therefore it is a text widget. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So by writing question index, you are saying it should start from question 0 and then should go to question 1, question 2, question 3, question 4, question 5 up to question 9, up to item count, right? When item count is reached,
Sir.
it should stop.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So remember, list view builder has list tile widget. Yeah. Okay, let us proceed and see what we're getting. We
So I
have to
think
come
I
to screen
didn't
8.
connect it.
So in the previous screen, we have to redirect it to app 8D. Yeah?
Yes, sir.
App 8D is the class which has been created in screen 8. Oh,
Yes, sir. We get
can you see here? India, USA, UK. Yeah, but what I need is what is the capital of India? Can you write what is the capital of India? What is? Yes is missing.
Ah,
Okay. Yeah, perfect. So Sitarama, this is very clear, right? List view dot builder, then list tile. List tile has two attributes, title and subtitle. Title requires a text widget and subtitle requires a text field widget. Okay, now let us compare whatever you enter in text field. Shashank, wait 1 minute. Can you enter New Delhi there
yes.
in the first thing?
Yes, sir.
Will it take it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, instead of showing all the questions at once, can we show it one by one?
Yes, sir.
See, now in your
Yes, sir.
code, you have shown all the questions together. That's not a good way to provide a questionnaire, especially if it is online. Let us show it one by one, no?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
So how will you do it one by one?
So I use set state for if I click next,
Uh,
the index should be
yeah, just team, what do you prefer? Do you prefer showing all the questions together or do you prefer showing them one by one? Abhishek, what would you prefer? If you were
One
answering
by
this
one is
question, would you
better.
like the questions one by one or would you like this format?
Uh, in the understanding of Flutter, it's better to have one by one, sir. Having more concepts in understanding.
Huh?
It's better to have one by one, sir. One question at one time.
Okay. Yeah, let's do it one by one.
yes.
Then we are not going to use list view builder, right?
Yes, sir.
So what are we going to use then?
I use first for center widget.
Okay.
So in child, I use list time.
So instead
We
of
can
list view
use
builder, you used list tile within center widget.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So I can use column widget also, but this style has it.
Okay. This style has more attributes. Okay.
So many.
I think yeah.
And I declare the index value as 0.
So on pressed, you will increase the index value to the next.
Sir. I use subtitle text. Yeah.
So do we need a submit button?
Yes, sir. So I can. So what will be your
Huh?
next and previous button also? Want to?
Yes. Yeah, you can make a next and previous button.
Oh, okay. So for that I use column widget because I want to use more than that. Here, here I create a row widget. Use children.
In that first button will be previous, right?
Yes,
Is
sir.
it button or hyperlink? Will you?
So we can give both also.
What do you prefer?
So for to know more number of widget, I can use both here. First, I create Inkwell. Inkwell is a hyper which creates text into hyperlink.
Text
It
into
has
what?
it's a hyperlink, like
Sorry, text
functionable
into what?
hyperlinks. Sir.
Hyperlink. Okay.
Yes. So it converts to like a button, functionable text.
Previous spelling is PRE. VI PRE. I is not there. PRE.
Okay.
Yeah. VIOUS. VIOUS. Yeah.
And it has on tap function. Here, let's take index.
So on tap, you are increasing index to
Yes.
index plus 1.
Yes. No, so index minus minus. So I'm checking the conditions. Sir. If it is 0, it may go minus 1. Then it can give error.
So why are you decreasing the index?
So because it is a previous question. Like,
Okay. Okay, okay, fine. Oh, so you're yet to write the logic for next.
Yes.
Okay.
So here I use elevated button.
So here it will be index plus plus.
Yes, sir.
So what does it do? If you press the next button, it will go to the next question. If you press the previous button, it will go to the previous question, right? But the
Yes, sir.
previous button is not a button, it's a hyperlink, whereas next is a button, if I understand. Correct? Previous is a hyperlink, next is a button. Am I right? Am I audible? Shivshankar,
Yes,
can you
sir.
hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir, you're here.
Yeah. So Shashank, we are not able to see your screen anymore. We are seeing, no, I think we lost his connection.
Yeah.
So I have suggesting to Shashank to make a universal question app such that anybody who has a set of 10 questions and answers should be able to use this app to make his personalized app. So each one of us may have, somebody may want to make 10 questions on banking, somebody may want 10 questions on technology, somebody want 10 questions on, let us say, machine learning. Okay, so we should be able to make our own quiz apps provided we give the data in a structured way. So I have requested Shashank to make a library for a quiz app. So with few lines of code, anybody can import that library and make a quiz app. So in the coming days, we will start making an app by connecting to an external API, the weather API, movies API, or COVID deaths, countries and capitals, population, bus timings, examination marks. So there will be different REST APIs which produce different data, and the app will consume the data and show you the output.
Oh, sorry, sir. Actually,
Yeah.
network. Uh, I use the row visit and so here I can give main axis alignment as space evenly. Then it will give yes.
Okay.
So if I click on next, the USA will come.
Mm-hmm.
If I click previous, it will India will come.
Okay. Okay, great. Yeah. Yeah, now you handle the logic.
Has. So I create one map.
Okay.
Uh,
So map is a data structure which stores a key value pair.
okay. Has.
Okay, there is a question. What is the purpose of main axis alignment? Can you do
Yeah,
anything?
we
Can you
can.
comment that line and again, yeah, show?
Yes.
So this is coming at the top, right? So main axis alignment, what does it do? It brings
So
it
it
in the center. Yeah,
So if I give it center, it brings it to the center or the alignment where I want it to, like that,
correct.
right?
yeah,
Okay. Thank you.
there's so many types like space evenly, start, end. If you want bottom, we can just put end and it will come to bottom line.
Okay, try. See,
Or you can use space evenly. These two evenly spaced between and end.
Okay. Thank you.
And
there is
same
another
for
thing called cross axis alignment. This is
yes,
for the y position, right? Cross axis is for
yes,
the
sir.
x position. Okay.
Yes, it is vice versa for column and row.
Hmm.
For column, main axis will be this.
Okay.
For row, this will be
Oh,
main.
so it is relative to which widget you are in. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So here I have I can use controller or any method like
No, use controller.
yeah. I use on change it. It gives value. Controller. Okay. Sorry. Controller. I want to declare here text editing controller.
Okay.
And I so I'm clicking on next.
Okay.
I will create a question of index
Hmm.
is equal to answer dot text.
Okay. Don't call it an answer. That is a response. Whatever he
Okay.
gives, call it a response. Answer is what is the correct answer. Yeah, this is response, right? So make it as response dot text.
Yes. Not text.
So if you give New Delhi
Yes.
and if you click on next, click on next.
Show the iteration. For USA,
Washington DC.
yes. I'm clicking next. Here is the map. Okay.
Okay, you're capturing the question and the response, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And I make a small mistake here.
Hmm.
I want to call this before this
Wait. See,
because
this is wrong. USA is not New Delhi here.
yes, sir. It is populating index 1. That's why it is coming
Okay. Hmm.
1.
Okay. You made a logical mistake. Okay. Yeah.
Yes, sir. That's
Okay.
why first I add to list
Hmm.
and then
Okay. Yeah, you made a logical error. Now, when you say previous and next, the
yes.
response should become null here.
Uh,
Now it is
um,
showing something. I think it should
yes.
become null. If you want.
Yes. So it has for that I'll call response dot clear
Hmm.
and same thing for here.
Okay.
So if I previous next yes that will be disappear.
Yeah. Okay. So now you have populated the map. Can you print the map again and show?
Yes, sir. For India, next. Yes,
No.
New Delhi, India.
Yeah, but the previous thing is
Okay,
wrong. I think you have not initialized the
I
map.
think
Can you initialize the map?
so initialize. This is because we are not clearing.
Yeah, clear the map before we do.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay, what is the capital of India? New Delhi. Next.
Next.
Okay,
Yes.
Washington DC. Next. Okay, wait a minute. Come to previous. Come to previous.
Yes.
Okay. Come to previous.
Yes.
Okay, this is a problem here. Everything is getting erased.
For that,
Actually, yeah, I don't think we should clear it. You should not clear it, I think.
So we can, for that, sir, we want to give the text value.
Yeah.
Text is equal to question map question of index.
Not question.
Yes, sir. In key value pair, if I give you
Okay.
US, it want to
Okay. Okay, run it again. Write something New Delhi. Go to next.
yes.
Write Washington DC.
Previous
I think you should increase the font size. People are straining their eyes to see. Font size 36. Okay.
yes.
Okay. Next,
Next
Washington DC. DC. Next. Yeah, put a previous.
yes. Washington
Ah,
DC,
it's coming correct. Yeah,
India.
correct. Okay.
Oh, and next also it is.
No, next is fine. Okay, next also we need to put.
Yes.
Okay, what are you doing?
Yes. I want to put after the index changed. So, yes.
So now you have to compare the response with the answer, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Till now you have just put it into a map. Okay. Yeah, let us
Yes.
finish the questions. Finish all the 10 questions. And then after that, what will happen? You cannot exit in between. You have to finish the 10 questions and then after that, what will happen?
After that, the result will be calculated.
Just print, for now, just print quiz over.
Yes, sir.
on
Uh,
after the end of that for loop. Quiz over text you can print.
yes. So or else we can write a logic in buttons also. If map size is 10,
Okay.
then
Disable the button.
yes, sir.
Uh,
Instead of next button, it will come to submit button. Like that.
it will come to
Submit button.
okay. Okay.
Map. Dot keys.
This is a little complicated logic you're writing.
Yes. Question. Dot.
So if the length is or 10, if there are 10 questions, then let the submit button appear.
Has.
Other till the time the submit button should not come. That's what it means.
Has.
Abhishek, is it clear? Is written Sitarama. Until the 10th question comes, the submit button will not be visible. After the 10th question, the submit button will be visible. So that logic is written in line 61 through a ternary operator. What is a ternary operator? Ternary operator have a question mark and a colon. Condition, what should be done when it condition is true? What should be done when condition is false? Okay, run it now. Okay, just keep going up to the 10th question.
Yes.
Next, 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 next. Ah,
Oh,
yeah, it is doing something else, but
index.
it got an error.
Yes. I think.
So how do you propose to solve this?
Japan.
Any suggestions from anybody here? If it has crossed the number of questions equal to 10, then we wanted a submit button. Until the time, the blue submit button should not come. Be disabled. Typical front-end programmers will write this kind of logic in React.js.
-1.
Shashank, single equal to, I think.
I think here is a mistake because index will be up to 9.
Mhm.
That's why. Okay. And now I try.
Okay. 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 Ah. But that submit button, can it come in a different place? Okay. Yeah, yeah,
Yes,
fine,
sir.
fine.
That's
I think
also.
this is fine. Can you make the submit button blue in color? When it becomes submit,
Yes, sir.
can you make it blue in color? Until the time, let it be whatever black in color.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now let's run this again.
Yes.
Very
Sorry.
good. I think you should make the background blue and font in white. Submit.
Yes.
Background in dark blue and the background in dark blue. Yeah, question mark is missing. Correct. Blue.
Here is the small change in their construction.
Okay.
Yes.
Very nice. Okay, go back to previous.
Yes.
No.
Uh,
When it comes to previous, again it should be the next button, no?
yes, sir. Because I'm here, I want to write index, sir, on.
Next.
Sorry.
Go to previous. Previous. Very good. Okay. So yeah, some logic. I think all of you can build the logic. That should not be a problem. Let's now check the marks. How you are comparing the responses.
In submit button, I will.
So now I need a tabular column. Your response, correct response, and marks. Okay. I need 3 columns. First column is your response. Second column is actual answer. Third column is marks.
Answer. So for that, I will create. Okay. So on another screen, you want to show or in this screen only?
In this screen only.
Yes.
So what are you writing here?
They are populating the string
Okay.
map keys array.
Yeah, Sitarama, what do you want?
So once the submit button is pressed, then only the answer should be written, right? What the marks should be returned, right?
Yeah, I have asked him to, once the submit button is given, then I asked him to make a table showing all the answers, all the responses, and all the marks.
Okay, sir.
3 columns. First column is response, second column is correct answer, third column is marks. Marks for each question. Okay. Let's see what is he doing.
So I will create another map for question and answer, correct question and answer.
Okay.
Then it will be easy.
Yeah, sure. So compared to the earlier assignments, this looks a little tough in logic, but for whoever is doing it, I think they can do it in a better way. You don't need to complicate it so much. You can simplify the logic. Best to do it in your own style, need not copy whatever Shashank does. Do it in steps, Shashank. We don't need to do everything together. Even if you do half, you show it. Do it in steps.
And from this is over. Sir. Next, take question.
No, what are you doing? I think it's a little confusing. Shashank, after
Yes.
submit button, just write quiz over.
Yes.
Just write quiz over. Keep it simple.
Oh,
Just say quiz over. Type, let there be a text message called quiz over.
okay.
Okay, that's enough. I want all of you to do it in bits like this. Baby steps you do it. Don't do it everything at once. Yeah. Now run the code.
Yes. So for this, I want to write some logic.
No, when the yeah.
Use condition.
No, when the submit button
Here,
comes, after submit
Has-
button is clicked, quiz over should come.
right. Here I can declare the value.
Are we making it complicated?
No, sir. I think
See, I think what is happened is you're using the same button for next and submit, no?
no, sir. Separate button
Button.
for different one.
Okay. So when you click submit button, you should give quiz over.
Has
Until the time quiz over should not come.
has.
Okay, run it.
Until that means if we get previous, then quiz over will be not come.
No. Only when you click the submit button, quiz over should come. Until you click
has.
the submit button, quiz over should not come. Next,
Okay.
I'll tell you. Next, 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 next. Now, no. Did you click submit button or you didn't click?
Actually, I click, sir.
Go to previous.
Has.
No, slowly. Yeah. Go up to Tokyo. Go up to Tokyo.
Has.
No.
On.
Without clicking submit button. Yeah. Now when you click submit button.
Yes.
Yeah. Now submit should get disabled now.
Okay. Sir.
So disable submit now.
Yes.
Submit and previous, both of them should get disabled.
Okay. Sir.
On submit. If it is complicated, we can do it later. Let's focus on the marks.
Okay.
Yeah. So now instead of quiz over, you list all the correct answers. I mean, all the responses only. All the 10 responses.
Only response.
Only responses you put as a list view. List view builder. Using list view builder, show all the 10 responses.
Okay. Sir.
Use list view builder and show all the 10 responses. Any questions anybody has? We can clarify. Now we are just showing the responses. We can complete the logic tomorrow.
Sir, what is listview.builder?
See, quiz over is one string, no, one text message. But now if I want to show 10 responses, I need a list, right? So listview.builder
Yes,
is a
sir.
widget to show the a list of values.
Okay, sir.
10 top movies, 10 rivers of India, 10 schools of India, 10 engineering courses. If you want to show any list, then listview builder is used.
Instead of that, if we use listview only, then what will happen?
No, it's actually it's list view only. List view is the widget, and dot builder is the method.
Okay.
If you see list view, that is L is in uppercase, and builder is in lowercase, no?
Okay, so builder it will just display what the 10
No. If you just say
like what
list
are the
view,
10.
if you say list view, if you put dot, you will get so many different methods.
Okay.
One of the methods is a builder.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yeah, Shashank, what are you doing?
So I'm populating, but
Not coming.
no, sir.
Anybody can help, Shashank?
Yes. Then
So he's trying to show a list of 8 items. Which are in one of the data structures called map1. Item count, you hard code it if you want, make it 8 or 10.
it's giving only one value, but
Okay.
okay, then
Okay, if it's okay if it is wrong.
yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's showing, no? New Delhi is showing.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So I think map is 0, I think. Cleared.
Okay, I think we will stop here. Shashank, for today we'll stop
Yes.
here. We would like to continue tomorrow. Same assignment
Yes.
will continue. Any questions so far on whatever we did today? Please be interactive. Prajna, Sujan, Nikita, Kirtan, Abhishek, Ashwin, Deepa, Sitarama. Okay.
Clear.
Yeah. So, yeah, just before we close, Shashank, can you tell us how you generate
Yes.
an Android APK from here?
So from here, I go to terminal
Yeah.
and I will type Flutter.
Hmm.
I go to respective project file
Okay.
folder.
Hmm.
Then I type Flutter
Hmm.
build APK.
Okay. So that's the command you are giving. Okay.
Yes. After that, it will build the folder.
Okay. And it will store in which folder?
It will
In
store in
projects
build
texture.
folder.
It will store in build
Build
folder. Yeah. Show me
inside app,
inside app. Okay.
inside outputs,
Inside outputs. Okay.
and
Flutter APK.
inside both. In APK also, in Flutter APK also,
Okay.
both will store the app.
Okay.
Here, release apps.
Okay. Fine. Okay. I think yeah, we can close for today. Okay. So thank you
Yes.
everyone. Let's continue tomorrow. Okay. I'm going to
Thanks.
close the